So what's going on, everyone? Today is the 15th of October, 2024. We're going to talk about Bome today because over the last 4 days, this cryptocurrency has exploded 62%. This is what meme coins is all about. Very short time frame. Price gives you 62, 64% in that amount of time. Is Bome crypto headed towards 1.5 cents? Let's talk about it because it might just be. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like button, and also subscribe for more content. Now, we've already completed a price prediction in Bome going all the way back here on July the 30th, 2024. And needless to say, it did not bode well for us. Bome, instead of going up, it was trending down instead. So we can actually see this, that the market in Bome is still trending down. So yes, maybe in the last 4 days, this cryptocurrency has gone up 64% or 62%, but we're still kind of trending down though. This last price prediction didn't work out well for us. You can see it for what it is. Instead of price going up in Bome, it went down and exceeded our buy zone as well. So the buyers didn't even show up at our zone here that we created back in July. Buyers didn't even show up there. So we need to clean up this chart, nurse the wounds, and get right back into position. Okay. So let's see this here, because it's been a fantastic 4 days for the people who purchased Bome all the way down here around like 6,000 points. Because in that amount of time, you guys saw 64.03% in the last 4 days. Here it is on the 5-day chart in Bome. We got that signal of a buy right here on this last completed 5-day chart, price bar, and now we can see the results. Crazy. Question is there still enough room to run up? Because we're hitting this downtrend line. The buyers currently reside down here. So let me create this real quick. Okay. Let's create this buy zone here first. And I might want to do another one a little bit closer to where the price currently is trading. So let's do that. Let's look at this on a 30. Might be one right here. Okay, so people are taking profit. I don't care what you say. Seeing the market run 64% in 4 days, you will suspect people to come in and take profit. That's why we're currently seeing this up fake, what is indication of weakness being garnered in the market in Bome. Let's create this as a sell zone. Okay, we're just marking the territory of where we think the buyers would be, as well as where sellers would be. Okay, so this is a very crucial point for us to see if the buyers really want it. Okay, we got this downtrend line. We also got this sell zone right here. I'm more inclined to pay attention to the sell zone, not necessarily this downtrend line, because it is the zones that allows us to see price break areas and support. Okay, that's it. So we need to see if the market in Bome wants to break this sell zone. Here it is on the 2-day chart in the market in Bome. Yes, this last 2-day price bar is still bullish right here. Here it is on the 3. You can see it again here on the 3-day time frame in Bome. Here it is on the 4. So it's been a fantastic 2, 3, 4-day time frame that you have to suspect that there's still some gas in the tank to see Bome continue to trend up. So let me put this on the chart. And my only concern is the sell zone though. I'm just letting you all know that right now. This sell zone right up here is an issue, is a problem. But we're going to anticipate that the market in Bome is going to try to run to 0.013, close to 1.5 cents, right up here to the second sell zone. So given the strength that we've seen on the 2, 3, and 4-day charts, I'm looking for the market in Bome to try to target this sell zone instead of getting hung up on this current sell zone that is trying to chip away at. Okay, But again, if you see the market in Bome getting rejected consistently at this first sell zone, that's a signal, that's a sign telling you might want to take whatever you have in terms of profit, 10%, maybe even 4% on the low of that sell zone, and move on, because it's having issues. The sellers are being very formidable in this market, that they're not ready to relinquish their control, their power of this downtrend that they've been moving ever since what, April, March of this year. So I'm just letting you know that as well too. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Let's move this down to this second buy zone here. Get the market some room to move, and that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade a friend.